Okay, so right here, this is the balance of $13 right here on my screen, and I'm gonna be withdrawing this money into my Litecoin's address right here. So I'm gonna be clicking on my Litecoin address, and I'm gonna be copying my Litecoin's wallet, and I'm gonna be putting the amount I want to withdraw, which is $13 right here. I'm gonna be clicking on the withdraw button, so this money is gonna be sent straight into my Binance account. So right now, I'm gonna be clicking on the reload button right here. You're gonna notice right here that the money just left my account, so I'm gonna be waiting for the money right here to arrive at my Binance account. So you guys could see right here that the money just landed into my account right here, and this is the equivalent amount of money I sent earlier, which is the $13 you guys saw on my screen earlier. So I just transferred the money from my Binance account into my first bank account right here. So right now I'm going to be walking you through how I was able to make this money and how you could also make the same amount of money right here for yourself. So the first thing you need to do right now is to click on the first link in the description. So once you click on the first link in the description right here, it's going to take you straight to this app, and you can see right here, this is the app I'm going to be using right here to make the money I showed you guys earlier on my screen. So the first thing you need to do right now is to create an account right here. So you just click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button, you'll be able to put in your email address, and you'll be able to put in your password, and also you could also sign in using your Gmail account right here. You could literally sign in using your Gmail account. So once you sign in using your Gmail account, your account is going to be created. So once you're done creating your account on this app right here, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. And if you don't know what this app is all about, this app is going to be paying you right here to play games on your phone, to install apps on your phone, and to play surveys. So these are the simple tasks you're going to be doing right here on this app, and you're going to be making money, because these are the tasks I literally did right here in order to make the same amount of money I showed you guys earlier on my screen. So the first thing you need to do right now is to come over to this section right here. So this app is going to be paying you $10 right here in order to play a game. You can see right here, this is to tell you how huge this app literally is. So you can literally make a lot of money right here on this app. All you just need right now is to install this app on your phone right here. So once you install this app on your phone, they're going to be asking you to reach a certain level for you to be able to get paid. So you can see right here, once you reach level 10, you're going to be getting $0.16. Once you reach level 15, you're going to be getting $3.2. Once you reach level 20, you're going to be getting $0.80. So once you reach level 25, you're going to be getting $1.6. So you can see right here, the more level you go, the more money you're going to be making right here on this app. So all you just need right here to do is to click on the start offer right here. So once you click on the start offer right here, you'll be able to start this offer right here. So you have to download the app on your phone right now. So once you download the app right here, all you need to do is to start playing the games on this app, and the more you play the game, the more money you're going to be making on this app. And also, that is not all. There are different ways you could literally make money on this app right here. You can see right here, you could literally install this app on your phone right here, and you're going to be getting paid $0.10 right here. You can see right here, this is the PalmPay app right here. So they're going to be asking you right here to install this PalmPay app. So once you create an account on this PalmPay app, you're going to be getting $0.10. To tell you how easy you can literally make money on this app. And by the way, if you found the video helpful, make sure you give the video a like and subscribe to my channel if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel. So once I drop another new video like this, you're gonna be the first person to be notified. So all you just need right here is to click on the start offer right here, and once you click on the start offer right there, you will be able to download the app on your phone. So once you download the app on your phone right here, just create an account on the PalmPay app, and once you're done creating an account on the PalmPay app, your reward is gonna be credited into your account. And by the way, once you use my link in the description right here, you're gonna be given a $1 bonus commission. That's the reason why I told you guys, you make sure you use my link in the description. So once you are done with all of that, so there are also different ways you could also use to make money online. So you could go to the survey option right here. You could literally play survey. So the more survey you play, the more money you make. So once you already have the minimum amount of just $1, guys, all you need right here in order to cash out your earnings is just $1. So once you already have $1 on your phone, you'll be able to withdraw your money through bitcoins, because that is the only payment method right here. And by the way, there are different payment method on this app right here that you can literally use to withdraw your money. So if I come over to the withdraw section right here, you're gonna see there are different payment method right here. You can literally withdraw your money through PayPal, Litecoin, Bitcoins, Amazon gift card, and all that kind of gift card right here. But what I'm going to be advising you to do right here, since if you are watching this video from Nigeria, I'm going to advise you withdraw your money through Litecoins or Bitcoins. So you can literally just create a Trust Wallet account. If you know you don't have a Trust Wallet account, or you could create a Binance account right here, just go over to the Play Store right here and download the Binance account. So once you download the Binance account, just copy your Litecoin address from Binance. So you're going to be putting your address right here. So once you put in your address right here, the money is going to be sent straight into your Binance account, and from your Binance account, you're going to be withdrawing the money straight into your bank account. So like I said, the minimum withdrawal on this website right here is just $1. So once you're able able to make just $1 right here on this platform, you will be able to withdraw your money into your Binance account, and from your Binance account you're going to be transferring the money straight into your bank account. And like I said, if you have any question you want to ask me, feel free to go to the comment section right here, then ask your question right here, and I'm going to be replying to all your questions. So guys, I just want you guys to know that there are different payment threshold for different payment methods. So for example, if you want to cash your money through PayPal, you have to have a minimum amount of $10 to $5 for you to be able to cash your money through PayPal. You can see right here, these are the amount of money you need for you to be able to withdraw your money through PayPal. So if you are going through other payment method like Amazon gift card, so you need to have a minimum amount of like $5 right here to $10 for you to be able to withdraw your money through Amazon gift card. But like I said earlier, if you are watching this video from Nigeria, the best option you need to withdraw your money is through Binance account. That is through your Litecoins account. So you can literally just create a Binance account. If you know you haven't created a Binance account for yourself, then copy your Binance Trust wallet, then put in your Binance Trust wallet on this app, and the money is going to be sent straight into your Binance wallet. So like I said, if you're getting any value from the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video right here, and if you have any question, feel free to drop your comment in the comment section, and I'm going to be answering to all your questions. And again guys, this app also give you a customer support. There's no making money online app that's going to be giving you a customer support. So in case you need to ask them any question, or you have any kind of issue you like them to resolve, you could just come over to that chat section right here, or you could literally reach out to them on their social media platform right here. So you could literally see their social media platform. You could reach out to them on Twitter, you could reach out to them on Facebook, on Instagram, and other social media platform right here, and they're going to be answering to all of your questions. And also this app also give you the ability to take part in their price challenge right here. So you could literally just join their price challenge to win almost $250 right here. So you could just join their price challenge right here to win free bonuses and free reward for yourself. And also you could also invite your friends on the website. So once you invite your friends, you're gonna be getting 30% of their commission for life right here, to tell you how awesome this app is. So guys, I've tested this app right here. You can see the app is amazing right here, and it's now time for you right here to jump on the app right here to start making some money for yourself. Like I said, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and also if you have any question you'd like to ask me, feel free to go to the comment section, and I'm going to be answering to all your questions. So in the meantime, I just want to say I love you all. I really love you. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video.